Hi, my name is Ryan Cronstrom. I'm with Comfort Experts. We do heating and cooling service and repairs. We also do maintenance and new installs. We do new installs, and when you purchase a unit through us, you actually deal with the owner or operator. I will install the unit, I'll service it, and maintenance it. We do new installs with brands as Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and everything else that you can think of. We do service on the East Valley, including Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert, as well as Queen Creek. We take pride in our work and guarantee our work for a full year.